Okay, so Koh Yao Yai Hillside Resort is right next door to me. And then we have this villa, which is right in front of me. This one right here, I can't say the name, San Siri Villa, full villa. And then we'll go drive by now and take a look. Okay. So we have the full villa right in front of me, brand new. They bought this land from me, and I own the land in the back, which is right here. You see viewpoint and land for sale right here. We'll go up my private road. And we steps right here to take you up to the viewpoint. And then this road you can drive with your truck on private. And here's the information board that tells all about the land. And then we have tiki huts for the view up there. The parking right here. And then we have it marked very clearly. All these red poles indicate a plot. Every time we pass a red pole, it's another plot. 1 rai or half a rai. And then we have land that goes back here too. And there's roads. So you can walk up here, easy walking. So we'll go down to the bottom now. Past another plot, this red pole. This is the lower end. It goes up pretty high. This is the low road that I have next to the main road. Here's another plot. And then my private road starts over there. Here's another plot. We have a beautiful road for you to drive on, and this is a big water canal right here. Water 12 months out of the year, spring water right here, right next door to your land. Yes, it goes back there. So we have about 265 meters facing the ocean, premium land, no wasted land. You could put a villa, everybody is happy. And then this is the beginning of the land right here. It's another road that takes you up, and then this road takes you down. You can see we came from over here. We're going to the main road now. Here's my other sign that you can see, land for sale. Information board right here. It shows the subdivide on that right there. The land title. Here's the information, phone number. You can buy all 6.5 rai for wholesale price, or you can buy just one plot for 7.5 million.